Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and honeygirlsworld.com. Hope you guys are having an awesome, most wonderful day. It seems like forever since I've actually sat behind the camera, or in my case, my phone, to really record a video. I just recently released a video on a Portland leather goods haul, as well as a what's in my bag. So for those of you guys that have already stopped by, show it some love. Thank you so much. But that video was actually recorded in April, and I was cleaning out and cleaning through my phone and my memory so that I would have memory for picture taking and stuff like that, because we just had my oldest graduation party. Because of that, I was trying to clean out my memory, and I figured, oh my gosh, I might as well just release this. I know it's old, but truly, while I did use my honey bag for about a month, I put it on the side. I jumped into a backpack because I was traveling and doing some other things, and I just moved back into my honey bag again. So technically it's not inaccurate, and the kind of the same stuff is in there, but I hope to do another what's in my bag fall edition coming up soon. But yeah, so that's just kind of a quick update. I'm actually recording again. My oldest graduated from high school, y'all. I have been crazy just planning his party, and now that the party is out of the way, I'm focusing on a lot of different things. But you guys have blown up my Shopify store, which is rarebreedmaui.com. My Etsy store has been doing really good, and I just stocked a locker at the Ben Franklin Housemart Mapunapuna store on Oahu. So if you're interested in getting any Rare Breed or Honey Girls World shop things, definitely check that out as well. It's locker 127, and that's going to be stocked every month. But it is on another island, so between flying and doing a number of different things, and Kevin Coel is going to college next month, and it's not here. He's going to college away in the mainland or continental US. So just a lot going on, and my goal is to get back in a routine yet again and post videos. But I've been sitting on these products for a little while now, and I definitely wanted to go ahead and share it with you, hence the reason for this video. So I'm sorry for the long update, but today I'm talking about a website that I had the opportunity to kind of work with, collaborate with, and check out some of their products, and it is called Be Kind. If you didn't already see it in the title, definitely check out the link down below, because I have a discount code HoneyK20 for 20% off your order. When you click on the link down below, I'll put all the information in the screen. But I was reached out to by Be Kind, I think maybe about 2 months ago, and received the products a few weeks back. And obviously with a name like Honey, I must love bees, right? And I actually do. I understand, and I know, and I appreciate how important they are for our earth and for our ecosystem and everything else. But believe it or not, I am deathly allergic to bee stings. I get anaphylaxis. It's one of those allergies I have not grown out of. I've had it since I was in the 7th grade, and I found out because I sat down on a desk and a bee happened to be underneath the lip of the desk chair at school, and it stung me. And then I was like, ooh, ow, that hurt. And then the hurt turned into burn, and then eventually I could not breathe. I was gasping for air, and my throat was essentially closing up. So I was basically rushed to the emergency room, and that's how I found out I was allergic to bees. But again, ironically, my name is Honey, and I have a very large appreciation for bees, and I love flowers, and obviously we need flowers, we need bees, they need each other. So it is just definitely something I have an appreciation for. And if I stay away from them, or if I don't bother them, they don't bother me, and we're good, right? We're good. So again, I have been a huge supporter of protecting bees, protecting bee colonies. I actually have adopted 2 bees from another website, and stuff like that. And one of their names is Honey. She's a queen bee. So I'm going to talk to you guys and share a little bit about the company itself, show you the pieces that I got, and then just kind of chit chat a little bit about it. But if it's something that you are interested in, you like cute themed jewelry, and supporting great causes, this is definitely something you want to check out. Like I said, I'll be putting the link down below. It's a special link, and when you use code HoneyK20 or HoneyK20, you will receive 20% off your order, which is huge because their stuff's already really affordable. So this gives you the opportunity to really get some awesome stuff. So as I mentioned, the website is Be Kind, and you can check them out at the bekind.shop website, or it's called Be Kind Shop. And essentially they're a jewelry brand that was created with the mission to help protect bee colonies from around the world. They donate 10% of each purchase to Pollinator Partnership and other different types of nonprofits. They have a wide variety of pieces, not just bead jewelry. I absolutely fell in love with their sunflower pieces, which if you know me and if you've been following me a while, you know that sunflowers is one of my top 5 favorite types of flowers. So I'm super excited for that. And just in general, really, really loving their pieces. So I'm going to go and talk about the pieces that I received. So I have the Honey Drop bundle. It is a bundle that comes with a pair of earrings, a ring, and a necklace, which I have on today. And I'm going to go ahead and share this with you. It retails for $129.99, which is actually $100, over $100 off right now. It seems like that is a pretty hefty cost, but the cool thing about these items is that they are sterling silver, 100% 925 sterling silver, and made with 100% real 18 karat gold plating. They are nickel free, lead free, cadmium free, and they're hypoallergenic. And I will tell you that I've been using the pieces now for about a week and a half, and I haven't noticed any change in color. I do take them off if I'm going in the ocean or anything like that, but I haven't noticed a change in color or anything of the sort. And I just kind of wipe them down with a soft cloth and then stash them away when I'm ready to go. So I'm going to show you, I have the ring here. Look how adorable that is. And I will say that this ring has poked me a few times. I am not accustomed to rings that stick up at this height, but the little buzzer, the pin on the edge did poke me, but you know, you get accustomed to it, you figure out how to use it. I'm absolutely in love with that little bee. Look at how adorable that thing is. Then I also got the pair of earrings. So you have the Honey Drip, which is a 2-piece. So it took me a little while to kind of figure out how to put it on, but you stick the stud in, put the drip in, and then you attach it on the back of the ear. And I have some pretty large lobes, and this fit me perfectly. It just sits there, absolutely comfortable. And then you have the matching bee. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. How adorable is that little tiny bee? Absolutely love it. And then I have the drip necklace with the honeybee on the top. That's what it looks like here. And I will go ahead and try to put in some B-roll in here too, so you guys can get a better look. But absolutely love the pieces, and they basically designed this. It says, wear it as a daily reminder of strength, positivity, and a sense of pride, knowing that you contributed to a worldwide cause that impacts us all. So for me, again, I am a huge supporter of bees, even if I am allergic. I love them. I love what they do, and the earth smiles and laughs in flowers, right? Have you guys heard that quote before? And without bees, we truly wouldn't have them. So I just love these pieces. You guys, they are super, super comfortable. They have a number of different pieces available. I'm going to go ahead and show them to you. Let's see here. There's sunflower ring. Oops. Nope. You have this sunflower ring. Just a number of different ones available. And then, like I said, there is also a sunflower set that I was very interested in, and I'll pull that up for you right now. Let's see. Seriously, how adorable is this set? Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely love it. They're having a sale right now, so you're getting 50% off plus free shipping, so you definitely want to check it out. Or you can use my code and get anything that you want, again, at that 20% off price point. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the brand itself. So let's see here. Bee friendly farming. Their mission is to hold on. My thing just moved. Okay, sorry. Be Kind Shop was created with the mission to help protect bee colonies around the world. By partnering with Pollinator Partnership and other nonprofit organizations, they're able to donate a portion of every purchase made on the website towards developing bee colonies and providing them with the best possible conditions. Be Kind is a proud partner of Bee Friendly Farming, or BFF, a certification program from Pollinator Partnership, working with farmers to help protect, preserve, and promote pollinator health. BFF helps farmers incorporate affordable, simple, science-based guidelines like offering nutrition and habitats for bees and integrated pest management strategies. The program helps ensure the future of both pollinators and sustainable agriculture as it expands across North America and around the globe. So if you are looking to want to support a great cause, you love jewelry like I do, and you want to help support bees, I highly suggest checking them out. I know this video is kind of long, but I definitely wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit about the different products and how they work for me. And overall, like I said, for a couple weeks I've been using them now without any issues. I love how lightweight this strip is. I was expecting it to be much heavier on the ear, but I forget that it's even there unless it like happens to knock against my cheek. But overall, I am just absolutely impressed. And as I stated before, I like supporting bee projects, and this I think is definitely a great one with a lot of awesome pieces. And the fact that it is not just like fine jewelry, or how would you call that, costume. It's not just costume jewelry, it's actually sterling silver. For me is a big deal because I have sensitive skin, because I sometimes will turn colors on different items and stuff like that if they're not real gold or silver. For me, this is a big deal, especially for this set itself. This is beautiful. I am going to use her even without the drip. I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. But I've been kind of rocking the drip lately, and I've been getting a lot of questions. What is that? Where do you get it from? Your girl been handing out her discount code, okay? So definitely check them out. Again, like I said, I'll be leaving a link down below. I'll put it over here on the screen as well. Definitely use code HoneyK20, that's HoneyK20, for 20% off on your order, and I highly suggest checking out all the things. I hope you guys are having an awesome, most wonderful day. I'm gonna, oh, I absolutely forgot to show you guys the packaging. Okay, first of all, look at how adorable this is. It says, hey, I'm a 100% recyclable mailer, but it's got the little honey. I don't know if my light's too bright. You can't see the detail there. Look at the little honey cones. Isn't that, I love it. Love, love, love the attention to detail when it comes to stuff like that. Let me turn this up brighter again. And then each individual thing came in these. You guys know your girl loves sunflowers. I'm gonna cherish these boxes. So each one, each piece came in a box. Is that not freaking adorable? I love it. I'm gonna keep the boxes. I love this. I was like trying to figure out, do I want to take it apart, put it in a planner? I don't know what I want to do, and I don't want it to smash, but I absolutely love how pretty these are. And then they also sent a card along with it that has stickers, which again, such a big deal for me. Save the bees. I love you 1,000 yellow daisies. Love that. I have be kind. A honeybee eating honey. And then this one I thought was super sweet. I love the touch of the stickers. I love the card that they sent along with it. These kinds of things come with your order. So definitely, definitely, absolutely love the packaging, the products, all of it. It's worth checking out for sure. And if you're not a bee person, they got sunflowers. Hold up, let me tell you what's up. They have sunflower themes, and then the bee theme. The sunflower themes, they have that bangle. I got my eyes on that bangle because I am such a huge sunflower person. But I also really want to get this pendant here. You are my sunshine. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I'm rambling, but I highly suggest you guys check out Be Kind shop. Again, all the links and everything will be listed down below. Check it out. See if there's something that you would like. Support the bee colonies. And definitely use the link as well as the discount code that I will post down below and get your discount. I hope you guys are having an awesome, most wonderful day. Thanks so much for those of you that keep coming back and watching my videos and checking on me and making sure everything's okay. All is good. It's just your girls had to adult lately, and so I've been really trying to keep up with all of that stuff, and it's been keeping me pretty busy. But I hope you guys are having an awesome, most wonderful day. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button and the notification bell on your way out. Ding ding. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like product reviews, or if you just like honey and supporting honeybees. And or don't give me a thumbs up, whatever. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for joining me, you guys. Bye.